Good day to all, this is Mike Padua and we're back to our weekend edition of our weather analysis for today's Sunday through Tuesday, June 23, 25, 2024. This is our English version brought to you by Typhoon2000 and Naga College Foundation. But before we begin, we'd like to thank our partners, Aboitiz Power, Bank of the Philippine Islands Sustainable with You. If you're interested, just click on the link up here. Or if you're watching via Facebook, visit the description page for more details regarding BPI Sustainable with You. And also one of the best hotels in the Bicol region and Naga City, Avenue Plaza Hotel. The local government of Naga City, headed by our Honorable Mayor Nelson Legacion and our Honorable Congressman of the 3rd District of Camarines Sur, Congressman Gabi Bordado. So let's begin with our update. Here's the latest GravSat for yesterday. We issued this yesterday, Saturday until Monday. And we have a active monsoon trough, bringing some thunderstorms in most parts of the country, from central and southern Luzon, Visayas, Mimaropa, Mindanao. So expect every afternoon or evening there will be this thunderstorm activity in our respective areas, okay? And over the West Philippine Sea, we are seeing now the activated southwest monsoon because of this monsoon trough, bringing some breezy conditions of up to 50 kph across the western coastal waters of Palawan, Calayan Island Group, and the rest of the Spratly Islands, as well as the disputed islands, and also here over the Panatag Shoal. So expect some thunderstorms and winds of 15 to 50 kph because of the enhancement of the southwest monsoon. These areas will have wave heights of up to 2.5 meters, and it is dangerous to small and medium-sized sea vessels, okay? And there's still no developing low pressure areas or tropical cyclone in sight for the next 5 days based on the computer models. Even for the next 10 days, it's all clear. And as we move into July, we expect a possibility of tropical cyclone formation, since we are now nearing the peak season of this frequent visitor of our country, okay? So we expect some rapid development for the next few months. And here's the fast animation from the University of Wisconsin, and we have here the monsoon trough. There's a small circulation here in the vicinity of the west of Mindoro, which is which we are going to monitor for further development. But so far, based on the computer models, this is expected to weaken and will be embedded within this active monsoon trough, and the southwest monsoon has retreated more to the west, and it's no longer affecting the western coastal waters of Palawan, just over the Spratlys as of this time. And it will still bring some inclement weather across the West Philippine Sea. Okay, so for the zoom-in satellite animation from windy.com, this is beginning around 1 p.m. up to 7 o'clock this evening. You can clearly see here some massive thunderstorms forming in most parts of the country because of the monsoon trough, where converging winds from the northeast and southwest will generate, or from the south will generate this afternoon or evening daily thunderstorms. So we expect these thunderstorms to be a daily occurrence for the next 5 days, okay, until the next weekend. And here's the latest wind and pressure forecast for the next 3 days until Wednesday. So far, the winds across the Philippine Islands will be light to variable winds. So this light winds is blowing from the east and southeast across the eastern sections of our country by tomorrow, Monday, and also Tuesday until Wednesday. So it will be generally easterlies across Luzon and also over the northern portions of Mimaropa, while variable winds with light southerly winds will be expected over Mindanao and Sulu archipelago, although easterlies will also be expected very lightly over Palawan. So the ITCZ is becoming active, and it's originating over the western Micronesia up to the Philippine Sea, and likely it could reach the area of Eastern Visayas within the next 3 days. So it's all eyes here over the Western Pacific for the possibility of a tropical cyclone formation, most likely during the first week of July. And if you take a look at the rain forecast for the next 3 days until Wednesday, like I said, during the morning we expect good weather, okay, with some isolated thunderstorms across northern Palawan, the eastern coastal waters of Visayas. But in the afternoon, use the forecast for tomorrow, Monday, we expect another day of severe thunderstorms in the afternoon or evening across Bicol, Visayas, and Mindanao, and some portions of Luzon and Mimaropa. And Tuesday morning, good weather, but in the afternoon or evening, another round of thunderstorms will be expected all throughout the country. These are isolated to scattered ones. There are areas that will be missed, but there are most of these areas will be hit by these severe thunderstorms, which last for about an hour or two. And on Wednesday afternoon, we expect another round of thunderstorms in various sections of the country, becoming more frequent over Mindanao, southern Tagalog provinces, Mimaropa, and we expect this kind of situation as we are now moving into the middle of the wet season, probably by July to August, okay. And if we take a look at the rainfall accumulation forecast, because of the developing ITCZ here of the Western Pacific, and on the western edge, we could see this 3-day forecast of rainfall accumulation to continue being thunderstorms across various sections of the country, except for areas of Cagayan Valley, okay, because of the ridge of high pressure in the vicinity of southeast of Japan. So the only thing that this area will get more thunderstorms if there's a low pressure system, a tropical cyclone, or the enhancement of the southwest monsoon. But let's hope and pray that more thunderstorms will bring much needed rainfall over Cagayan Valley. But please take all necessary precautions when we have these severe thunderstorms, particularly when it comes to lightning strikes, flash floods, landslides, because even though it's only about an hour or two, this will still bring some hazards across our country, okay? And for the wave forecast for the next 3 days, and today we started the wave forecast here over the West Philippine Sea. This is due to the southwest monsoon up to 2.8 meters, while the rest of the archipelago will be around 0.5 to 1 meter over the East Philippine Sea. Inland waters of the Philippine Islands is from calm to about almost 1 meter. And if we move this to Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday, the wave heights over the West Philippine Sea will return to normal to up to almost a meter in wave heights, while here over the central Philippines, inland waters will remain calm to almost or more than half a meter. Here over the East Philippine Sea, because of the strengthening ITCZ and easterly winds, we expect wave heights of 1 to almost 2 meters, light to moderate. So it's still feasible for some, still suitable for fishing and sea travel, but it might be a little rough over the East Philippine Sea if you go farther away from the coastal areas. So we expect some moderate rough seas here, and not suitable for small fishing vessels. Okay, so there you go. That's the latest for this weekend, and we will turn probably by Wednesday or Thursday for another edition of our weather analysis here at Typhoon 2000 and at our channel, YouTube channel, Mr. Typhoon.tv, and at our Facebook channel as well, Mike, Mr. Typhoon Padua. So, see you again. God bless, stay safe always, and thank you so much for watching our channel.